TheShy为什么在国外也有这么大的影响力？
他说
롤모델로 하면은 저는 항상 좀 더샤이 선수를 좋아하는 게 있어가지고 경기도 매번 챙겨보는데 더샤이 선수의 플레이가 좀 개인적으로 되게 마음이 많이 들어서 롤모델을 하는 더샤이 선수는 pretty much every matchup knows this plays with
TheShy is just like probably one of the best players. Everything will pay off. Staying there top lane and working on it.
Which top laner do you want to face the most?
I would say TheShy.
That's right!
TheShy is like the number one because he's always been like someone I look really up when I was not a professional yet.
그 아이즈의 더샤이 선수가 저랑 좀 친분이 나는데 약간 하는 거 그냥 막 하는 거 같은데 의도고 생각하고 막 그러더라고요. 그래서 저도 한번 만나봐서 한번 느껴보고 싶어요. 무슨 느낌인지.
下一哥每个名场面的背后都离不开一群国外解说的疯狂吹捧。
To protect Perk, somehow Belmont has been killed. If IG tries to continue the fight, they are going to be 4 versus 5. But TheShy goes in and killing spree. Where is he found? No way! Yankos looks to find the kill. He's able to get the shutdown, but he will throw his life away for it. Caps tries to 1 versus 3. He's able to find himself a single kill, but also...
Does it? There's an arcade shift available, we know it. Waiting is TheShy, the Iceborne coming in handy. He's waiting for Decimating Smash. He's waited so long. Can he get it? TheShy has bitten off way too much. He dodges for the Mystic Shot. SPLZ. What is this outplay? TheShy, best top laner in the world.
I cannot believe this game. I didn't think it was possible to outplay that hard on a Scion pick. Oh my goodness, TheShy going right back. Yes, Crimson Rush picks up the 8-8 carry. Magic, there's nothing wrong with him. I can't believe TheShy right now.
That's a 1v3 with 2 solo kills. Are you kidding me?
He's making a play. TheShy's like, come at me, let's go. I'll take out for them anyway. Now he's in the 1 versus 1. And I'm not actually feeling good with chances. Here comes the 1 versus 2. TheShy looks at them with beady eyes. He's missing them.
1v2 double kill for TheShy. Now 2-0-1 IG grouping up, knowing Grand Challenge versus Grand Challenge. Which one is better?
Hit him.
Laser's high if he can get all the procs off. Caster comes in, kick flash. TheShy 1v2 flushes away. Here comes the Syndra. Scatter the Weak was beautiful. And TheShy burns. So does Caster. TheShy lives. How does he do it? Xiao comes back in. 1v2 himself. TheShy re-engages. Finds himself a W. Still is alive. Drop down. TheShy is just that top laner.
Every damn week he does this. Never take him out again. I don't even want to see Duke in my eye. That was so damn beautiful. Weaving in and out, and the movement speed that you get from your ultimate if you're getting it from Yora is so relevant. Like,
Hey, the froze on the flank. TheShy in the backline. TheShy is just frying everyone. Look at him. Triple kill. Give it to him. Holy fuck, man, he's crazy. Like, what is happening? Look at the top tip. Look at the top, bro. I hate you, Doubters. I hate you.
Yeah, don't greed for cannon. Don't even try it, Squidward. Fuck off. He's fucking insane. Don't ever doubt him again. Never again. Never. He's the best top in the world. He's the best top in the world. He is. Oh my god, that was crazy.
TheShy's on top of him. Goes gold cannon in the back line. TheShy comes into one damn fight and makes it big. But TheShy does as well. TheShy may have gotten a lot, but the Vladimir is still full health. Xiao needs to run. And thinking TheShy chase him down. And hang on, Uzi, stop it. Will be able to heal it up, shield it up, still alive. Ignited finishes him off. IG just get one again. TheShy has to flash away. Ming has one more concussive blow, but TheShy finishes him off.
and then I had missed initially. TheShy do the exact same thing. It was just most
skill is his big story. The sidestep onto the ultimate there was flawless. He chases down the kill. And G2 solo laners who were that big win condition